Hey, it's Greg King and welcome to Make Money on YouTube Without Making Videos, the ultimate key to affiliate marketing 2021. Now, this is not going to be the typical video where I talk about the 5 or 6 or 7 steps of how you can make your millions on affiliate marketing, because quite frankly, the only people that actually do that are the people that teach it. This is going to actually focus on how you get the steps that you've attained with your, whether it's a product, a service, or affiliate marketing product, how you get that in front of belly-to-belly customers, red-hot customers on the #1 search engine in the world. I'm going to give you some examples of that. I'm going to give you an extra tip in regards to how you can actually launch brand new products that have yet to be released to the public. And then in a moment, I'm going to put a couple of links in the screen that actually you can actually take a look at today or tomorrow and see if this actually makes sense and how you can propel your online business to new heights, better than old heights in 2020, but new heights in 2021. Now, I mentioned just a moment ago, I'm not going to run down the same old things that everyone else does, but I'm going to do it really quickly because there's a couple of key elements in here that you may find very interesting. Now, the first, you want to create a YouTube channel. It's a separate channel. I mean, that's pretty straightforward. You just go to Google, get your Gmail, and just create a new YouTube channel. Now, the thought is you have to have thousands of subscribers. Well, you don't, because what you're doing is you're not doing AdSense and getting paid for your videos on Google and YouTube. What you're doing is you're actually marketing and positioning a product, a service, or an affiliate product online on the first page of Google, YouTube, and the Google carousel. So you want to choose, you have to choose an industry or a niche that you're completely passionate about. You own it, you use it, because there's nothing more people can actually see through if you don't really buy into what you're sharing. Next thing is you want to do your research in the products and find the niche that you're looking at. First thing I did was, as an example, I love GoPro cameras. So I started out doing affiliate marketing for GoPro and with their new cameras. Now, I had a heck of a time making money because I was never in the placement of YouTube and Google that people saw. And I had to spend a ton of money to get me up to the very top. And until I found Paul Murphy's Affiliate to Success Academy, where you can do this over and over and over again, and it costs nothing, and endless amounts of advertising and placements on Google and YouTube. Now, this is the first key. Now, the first key, I stumbled across this through Paul, and it's called Muncheye. Now, it's a great site because if you don't know what you want to do for an affiliate product, this site, which is Muncheye, which I'm going to leave in the link below, is basically telling you when you're going to have the new launches. And anything that is highlighted, typically they're power players. Now, what occurs is very few people actually market this before it's launched, other than the owner of the product. So the thought is, if you could actually do some videos, a handful of videos for one of these products, and put them in before the launch happened, people will actually come and get a review, and guess who they come across? You, because no one else has done it. Next thing you want to do is you want to sign up for the affiliate product. Now, this comes down here. You can use one of these, or you can actually go to Amazon. You can do anything. The key, once again, is making sure you are passionate about your niche. Next part is nothing beats content. I mean, everyone talks about it, so I'm just going to brush over that. The next thing is you want to optimize the page and the tracking results. And when you have your your YouTube channel, it does great things. You can actually go into the analytics. And right now, I just want to stop for a moment and say, this is not terribly important to know right now. However, it is the key of how your videos are doing to the public. Now, you can see on this video here, this was 1 minute. It's a new short, so I've been checking it out. I had 303 views, the watch time in hours, and I got 11 subscribers on it. So that was pretty decent. So just looking at some of these statistics, and you can see here how it just basically popped up pretty immediately. The next part, I came over here, and my click-through impressions, 1.8 is not very good. Now, what a click-through means is when it comes up, someone's going to click it. But I did get some unique viewers, and you can see I'm getting momentum on this. Now, the next thing, as you can see here, is some of these are really good, but what happened is I wasn't attracting audiences for more than 28 seconds. That was most of them, or 26 seconds. Now, it goes deeper into Paul Murphy's Affiliate Tube Success Academy, but the key is to get 50% viewer. So I can see that something's happening here that's just not touching, it's not hitting the buttons. But you can just see that it's getting good looks, it's getting this and that, but people aren't watching it, so I just have to adjust that slightly. Now, the key here now, and this is where the ultimate key is getting your product on the front page of Google in front of real buyers. Now, it really doesn't matter if it's a product, a service, or an affiliate product, or coaching. None of this matters because the system works the same for everyone, and the system is to rank you #1 on Google, YouTube, and the Google carousel within minutes. Now I'm going to show you some examples of how and what you could do. And just let me grab down to here because it's January 2nd, so I'm still January 1st-ish. Anyways, this is what you can do with this system. And the system I'm going to show you, and it's going to show you in a moment, how you can actually get this kind of ranking when you do a search. Now, let's face it, searches, the #1 search engine in the world is Google. The #1 video in the world is YouTube, and it just blows all the other streams away, even Netflix. Netflix doesn't come close to YouTube. Now you can see when you make a handful of videos, they'll actually start to show up with rankings on the all, and you can see here there's different ones, or in the videos, you can actually tie up the very first page, literally within a few minutes, over a period of taking Paul, not recreating the wheel, I'm just trying to get the words out. Don't recreate the wheel, just make it happen. You can see here it happens again. I got the first on YouTube, and I basically have taken this whole page. This is an ad, so they pay dearly for this. All of these are free. And I can do them at unlimited times. And you can see here with the videos the same way. This video is #1 below the advertising. And once again, in the totals where you just actually do shorts make money on YouTube without making videos, YouTube shorts for affiliate marketing, you can see how powerful this is. And it goes on and on. Now, what I'm sharing with you is not to show you and brag about my rankings, but to show you how consistent using Paul's system are. And it's really key, and it's real basic. And before I actually give you that key where he's actually unlocked the ranking system, which is completely free, organic, and immediate, you can see here on the right-hand side, YouTube and Google have changed their formats now. So instead of going across like a regular, I can show you down here. This is known as a carousel. And that was pretty normal. What they've changed, though, and that changed it about a month ago, is instead of a carousel going horizontally, it's now going vertically. And you can see here when you do Affiliate Tube Success Academy Review 2021. So this is my, full transparency. This is my affiliate product. What I'm doing is I'm sharing this system for people that want to get on the first page of Google and YouTube. And it's an affiliate product, and it works. I've been using it, and it just always works. And you can see here, by just hitting that, I'm #1, 2. And then there's a fellow called Lee, and this is the main guy who brought it out. His name is Paul Murphy. Then you see the organic listings. Now, the key behind this is, and what Google mentioned about 5 years ago, is that websites and blogs are basically on their way out. They're nice to have, but not to concentrate. Where the actual interest is going is now to videos and also podcasts. That's the new golden era. Now you can see if you just do a handful of videos and just follow Paul Murphy's process, and I just want to put it on a second level here. I know enough, or to the side, I know enough about technology just to be dangerous. So I'm a 65-year-old tech wannabe. I really don't know. But you know what? I do know that I never have to recreate the wheel. All I have to do is copy, and I get the same results that Paul does. And you can see I'm kicking it on the first 2 here. I'm number 2 out of 4. And you know what? You're not going to come down here and look at all these this copy. You and I alike are, or 75, 80% of people look at videos first. And look at this. You imagine with your product or service or coaching or affiliate product, how you could actually put a stranglehold on the first page of YouTube, Google, and the Google carousel. I mean, here's proof right here. Now, how it works is this, and it's so basically simple, but it's something that Paul Murphy has shown us in the Affiliate Tube Success Academy, and it's the first time he's actually been able to give it out free for the general public. I mean, you actually have to pay for this, but you know what? This is what it is. It's called the Video Upload Checklist. And it talks about the things you need to do prior to your loading, within 24 hours, and after 7 days to maximize your rankings. And it's real simple, and you do it to every video. The handful of videos. The more videos you do, the better it is, because the only thing it's going to cost you is time, not a penny. And you can see here, one of my rankings that I first put out with Paul is I got the first page of YouTube, the first page of Google, and the first page of the Google carousel, the first position of the Google carousel within minutes. And you can see over to the right here, it went on to YouTube in 2 minutes with no views. So you don't need views, you don't need subs with this process. So the question is, knowing you have a system where you have zero chance of failing, would you check it out and spend 5 to 10 minutes to see if this would work and be, that golden goose prize to make your 2021 business grow? Now, I mean, it's the only thing it's going to cost you is about 10 minutes of your time and no money. And it will make a difference to your online business and your affiliate business. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link, and it's going to come down and look like this, where you're going to get the download the checklist, and you download it, you hit the button, you put your best email and your name, and you'll get this. I hope you've enjoyed today's video and found it informative and of value. Now, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I'm going to put 2 links in the comment section and also in the description box. And the first will be Paul Murphy's Video Upload Checklist, which is just an invaluable tool to catapult your videos to the first page of Google, YouTube, and the Google carousel within mere minutes. The other will be the Muncheye site, where you can actually start to market affiliate products that have yet to be launched. Now, that being said, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, so you won't miss another one of my videos. Also, leave a comment if you've enjoyed today's video and you think that this will make a marked difference in your 2021 business online. Till the next time, take care, and we'll see you soon.